Yeah, amazing. Yeah, and it's amazing what you. We'll come onto it in a moment, but what you've done, particularly with those varieties, and really being able to streamline and reduce a lot of your lead times. I know. So I think that takes us on to our next part, I guess, and talking a bit about once you got the printers on site, and started using them. As typically customers always have their first print or remember their first print off the printer. If you remember that, it'd be great if you could share that with us.
Yeah, so we started printing something that wasn't loaded initially, just so that we got more confident with the machine. They were measurement guides, so that you could quickly on the shop floor just put the part into this negative impression and really quickly identify where on that part needed to be measured. So we made one or two of them for different sizes. I think, we had two to start with. And then once we had shown that we were able to hit the tolerances that we needed to hit with the printer, that's when then you multiply that by 40 times, and suddenly you've got a really good justification there that you've made a good cost saving.
Yeah.
That was our first thing.
Great.